So let's now implement inheritance with the ES classes instead of constructor functions. Here now I copy the initial person class that we built a bit earlier so that we can inherit from this class. And so down here, let's now create a student class. So class student CL like this. I call the student CL just to follow the same name like the person CL. So to implement inheritance between the ES6 classes, we only need two ingredients. We need the extend keyword and we need super function. So to make this student class inherit from the person class, all we need to do is to say extends and then person class, person CL. And that's actually it. So this keyword alone with the link to prototypes behind the scene. And then we still need a constructor, and this one, just like before, receive the same argument as the parent class, but then some addition ones. Now here, we actually don't even need to manually call like a person CL.call like we did before in the constructor function. So what we do instead is to call super function. And so super is basically the constructor function of the parent class. But here, it all happens automatically. We don't need to specify the name of the parent class again because that's already happened up here. So here, now all we do is to pass the arguments for the constructor of the parent class. And that's these two, because that's exactly the parameters that are also specified here in the parent constructors. Now here, and this constructor, this always needs to happen fast. And that's because this call to the super function is responsible for creating this keyword and this subclass. And so therefore, without doing this, we wouldn't be able to access these keywords to do this. And so let me create a new student model here. So let's see. So now we have all the three properties here. Now let's just add the introduce method here. And so now we can call that on the method introduce. Now that actually works. And the same should work for the call each method that is in the parent class. This one. And the parent class. So mother.callEach. Indeed, that works as well. Let's now take a look at the prototype chain one more time here. You see, this is a student class, child class, introduce. This is a person class. So you will see call each method, child class, student class, you see introduce. And so now let's override this call each method here. And now indeed, this new method overrode the one that was already there in the prototype chain. That's because this new call each method here appears first in the prototype chain. And so therefore, it is essentially overriding the method coming from the parent class. And we can also say that this callEach method here is shadowing the one that is in the parent class. And that's actually it.